Model 2013 Citroën Relay Transit L3 2.2 HDi Luton box van spares OR repairs body, silver, Luton box tail lift mileage, 92,972 engine, 2,198 cc 4 HDi transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings a squealing engine needs repairing gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Luton box van with tail lift works as it should. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative